Lego brick. For a long time it was thought that building bricks had an optimal shape and design. It seemed impossible to improve the bricks and there was no need. However, a few years ago it was proved that this idea was wrong because this material can have a more comfortable appearance. The proof of this is the Lego brick that you see on the screen right now. Its distinguishing feature is the special holes that provide better connection between the blocks. It is no coincidence that the product has received that name, because the shape of the blocks is actually very similar to that of the children's toy. Lego notes how little of the solution is used by the master. This is because Lego bricks do not need a thick layer of bonding agent to hold firmly in place. The strong connection is ensured by the protrusions on the bricks that are inserted into the holes like a jigsaw puzzle. The use of lightweight bricks makes it possible to work faster and reduce construction time. In addition, the manufacturing technology has been simplified. Bricks are bred with a strong press, so there is no need to waste time on firing. The bricks gain strength during drying because they are made of a mixture of limestone, cement and some other additives. The resulting wall is characterized by durability, frost resistance, and extraordinary seismic resistance, and weighs less than a standard brick. Extra strength insulation. In this video we look at the best building materials designed to protect the roof from moisture and other adverse weather conditions. The products shown in the video are produced by GripRite. The first is a dry or wet binders. What is recommended for insulating parapets, places around glass roofs, joints and corners? The substance contains bitumen and various minerals, which ensures a high level of protection against water. At the same time, the composition is ductile and viscous, which means that it is easily and quickly applied in a uniform layer. With the help of a spatula. Next material is a special bituminous coating. It is a fibrous substance that can cover any roof, whether new or old. Even a thin layer of this material applied to the entire surface ensures complete insulation from water. By the way, a similar composition can be used to insulate the foundation. It not only protects the surface from water. It can be used to insulate concrete, brick and metal, as it has the optimum elasticity to withstand the natural expansion loads to which it is exposed in the foundation due to climatic conditions. This characteristic prolongs the useful life of the insulating layer. Finally, the last material we want to show is the super strong glue for bonding the tiles both to the surface and to each other. Wood processing. If you've ever thought about how rounded legs for wood furniture are created, we'll now partially answer that question. Here we have an automatic machine for making rounded wooden bars. Italian company Bros manufactures such equipment. This series of machines, and includes two models TPC45 and TPC60. They differ only in their technical characteristics. Note how quickly and easily the machine converts rectangular bars into rounded bars. The wood can be fed into the machine manually or automatically. The TPC45 model handles bars with a maximum diameter of 45 mm. The TPC60 model. As its name indicates, it handles bars up to 60 mm. In addition to furniture, they can also be used to manufacture spiral staircases. Recycled tiles. Anyone who is even a little bit interested in the environment knows how serious the current situation on our planet is. Mankind produces a large amount of plastic that does not decompose for centuries, and only a small part of it is recycled. That is why the development and implementation of technologies like the one we see on the screen should be encouraged in every possible way. This is an unusual machine designed for plastic processing. It processes bags, foam, bottles, and almost any other plastic, turning the material into crumbs. The look is then used to make a mixture suitable for the production of road tiles. In addition, blocks, cones and other products are manufactured here. The plastic in these blocks does not pollute the environment, but is safely hidden inside. Being by nature a viscous substance, it serves to additionally bind the components of the mixture. The massive use of this technology can benefit mankind and reduce the amount of waste on the planet. Fabrication of shingles. Metal is one of the most common roofing materials. Tiles made of this material can have a varied appearance. The installation procedure is simple. The material has a huge margin of safety, with a small weight, as well as an affordable price. Now we look at how to make metal tiles on an industrial scale and industrial. Of course, this popular material is produced in large quantities, so the factories use these machines. The development and creation of the equipment shown were carried out by specialists of Tapa machinery. The material enters the machine in the form of thin sheet metal already painted. The machine shapes the metal using cold forging. The sheet metal takes the desired shape thanks to a row of 6 rollers that repeatedly press the surface. It should be noted that the machine performs the cutting of the sheets to the desired size. Thus, the complete processing of the metal from the initial state to the final state takes only a couple of minutes. This machine is capable of producing 2 different types of tiles. The manufacturer offers a large number of machines that work in a similar way. Manufacture of ceramic tiles. Finally, we will show you how ceramic tiles are produced on an industrial scale. This is a complex, long and interesting process that requires the use of a large number of equipment and people. The factory shown in the video is located in India and belongs to so many ceramics. It all starts in the store with the raw materials. The exact recipe of the composition from which the tiles are made is often a trade secret, but the main component is invariably clay. It is often mixed with water. It is very important that the composition is the same in every batch. This is the only way to ensure that each tile produced is of the same quality as the others. Further on, the already prepared composition is exposed to high temperatures and fire, resulting in a hot powder. This material reaches the conveyor belt that delivers it to the press, where it is stamped. The pressure of the press is so high that no water or other materials need to be used to bind the mixture. Importantly, it is the absence of water in the production process that creates a perfectly smooth tile. The nearly finished product is then sent to the kiln for questioning during machine movement. Each tile is measured to ensure that the size is correct. The temperature inside the kiln reaches 1050 degrees Celsius. In addition, the highest temperature is maintained in the center of the oven. The tunnel-shaped construction ensures a continuous and uniform firing process. This means that the tiles heat up slowly at first, and then cool down slowly. At the end of the process they acquire the appearance we are all familiar with. The material is then cleaned, moistened and covered with glaze. After the surface dries, the tiles are ready to be loaded and shipped to the store.